Yo guys, me mum just got some cash. Yeah. Black Knight said he wanted to 1v1 me, fam. Come on, add me. Oh, what's that on the screen? Oh, god damn it. Why does that turn it dark and then turn it light? I'll turn it dark. That looks like it's dark. If I turn it like that, it looks like it's light. Also, it's dark. It's dark outside.
Right, we're going to go over a bump.
We are about to go over a bump. No, didn't do anything. Black. I was about to say Black Panther. Black Knight. 1v1 me then. Add me. My name is FaZe Flash. I've got so much friend requests, I don't know who's who. I don't add that much people. I only add people that I like on Fortnite. Oh. Add people that I think are nice. If they end up to be like foreign, something, I'll block them. Well, they speak like a different language in English. I'll block them. So, well, you speak like. I understand Australia. Well, I do understand Australian. I understand America and England. I do know a bit of. I don't know what this is. Ciao. School. We were saying different things. Oh, battery's low. We've got 15%. Guys, I'm gonna have to make this short, but. Somebody, well, in my class, we were, what's it called, doing a register. We were all saying different bits. Well, bits, no, not that. Different stuff, like saying good afternoon, well, anything like ciao, good day, good afternoon, good day, mate, all that. Konnichiwa. What's up? Ciao. No, I've already done that. Before, all of that. I said, g'day, mate. And teacher, he did it in Australian. Sounded so funny when he did all of our names. Because he has a really good Australian accent. He's not from Australian, but he can stand just like an Australian. Hot, I'm zooming the window down. Steamy. I will try. If I can, I will go live on Christmas. Can I go live on Christmas? I'll try to go live on Christmas, guys. What? I'm hot. How are you cold? Got a kid playing by the gas pump. Not gas pump, that sounds weird. Thingy pump. What's it called? Tyre pump. And it blows up the tyres and stuff. Little kid. Don't know if it's boy or girl, looks like a girl. Speaking of girls, one flipping sended me a heart and said to me, yeah, my name, to Archie, something from the card. Lots of love. XOXO.
Look at these ones.
Oh, fudge. Sorry, guys. Well, I didn't say fudge. I said fudge. It's not sword. You can't see me. Oh, sorry, guys. That looked weird. CM% I got 14%. I definitely need to charge my phone when I get in. Yes. Yeah, bye guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn notifications on. Yeah.